When you have several demands on your free time, like schoolwork, sports, friends, and fun, it is important to manage your time well. Using the built-in calendar in Office 365 can help you have time for everything by adding some consistency to your schedule. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Outlook calendars and the To-Do feature to schedule your time. To get to the calendar in Office 365, go to Outlook. Then click the calendar icon. Let's imagine that I'm a busy high school student with time after school from 3 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. to get homework and many other things finished. I've added in a few things that happen every day, like school from 8 to 3 p.m. and family meals, dinner from 6:30 to 7 p.m. I like to schedule my time with the LPET method, which means list, prioritize, estimate, and timed events go first. You can use this method to schedule your whole week. We are going to schedule June 22nd through 26th. To list my activities, I'm going to go to the To-Do area, which is the check mark down here. Remember to put activities you have to do, like homework, and want to do, like hanging out with friends. I'm going to list all the activities I might be doing this week. Now that I have my tasks listed, I am going to prioritize my list based on which ones are more important and their due dates. Now I have my tasks in order of importance, or prioritized. Next, I'm going to think about estimating how long each task might take. All right, now I have a running list of my tasks. They're prioritized, and I have an estimate on how long they will take. Lastly, I will start to put items on my calendar with timed events going first. For example, my student council meeting at 3 p.m. on Mondays can't be changed. Also, if you have big projects like a science presentation due next week, you should chunk the work into smaller tasks so you can schedule them. Don't just schedule all the work the night before. I'm going to go back to my calendar, go to next week. Notice that you can look at your calendar by the day, the school week, the week, or the month. I'm going to look at the school week. I can go find my tasks, which I listed, up here where it says My Day. Now I can schedule the timed events first and start filling in my schedule for the week. Notice that you can drag items from your to-do list directly onto your calendar. When you're adding something to your calendar, make sure to put in a title. You also might want a length of time, and you can even consider giving yourself a reminder. This would be especially nice if you're using your calendar on your phone. Now, I should check my calendar daily to see what I have scheduled. And you'll notice that I do also have some unscheduled time. This is great because sometimes things will need to be rearranged or rescheduled. Try out the Outlook app on your phone if you'd rather schedule your time there. The built-in calendar will sync to all of the devices that you have using Office 365.